Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel of Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Without further delay, let's jump right in. Unlocking leadership potential. Role of power skills in modern organizations. Introduction. In today's corporate landscape, power skills encompassing problem solving, empathetic leadership, and negotiation acumen have become crucial for tomorrow's leaders. Effective communication, emotional intelligence, adaptability, and the art of collaboration have risen to prominence, earning them the new title of power skills. But why? Because these skills bestow individuals with unique power in the workplace. Forward thinking organizations and CEOs have come to recognize a significant truth. Technical skills can either be acquired externally or cultivated internally with relative ease and low cost. However, when it comes to power skills, there is a distinct advantage as these abilities are deeply rooted in the human element and demand a significant investment of time and effort to nurture. Art of effective problem solving. In today's high pressure corporate arena, leaders are constantly challenged to solve complex problems while aligning them with the ever shifting demands of market and the long term sustainability of their organizations. It is here that individuals equipped with problem solving prowess shine the brightest. According to a compelling white paper by Wiley, problem solving stands tall as the most critical power skills in the 21st century workplace. Rise of empathetic leadership. To curb attrition levels and foster a more nurturing work environment, organizations are increasingly seeking empathetic leaders. These leaders must embody traits like honesty, transparency, and an open minded approach while showcasing vulnerability to connect with and inspire their employees. Mastering the art of negotiation. In today's business landscape, characterized by stakeholder capitalism, leaders are tasked with catering to the diverse needs of stakeholders, employees, customers, and even communities. This calls for the fineness of negotiation skills that can empower managers to effectively navigate stakeholder concerns. Efficient negotiation enables leaders to communicate clearly and gain buy in from stakeholders, aligning them with their vision. Beyond the acquisition of technical skills, the cultivation of power skills such as problem solving, empathy, negotiation, acumen, and more is imperative. These skills empower leaders to make pivotal decisions and lead effectively. Hence, investing wisely in learning and skill development is the cornerstone of success. I hope you found this video helpful. As we wrap up, remember the journey doesn't end here. Explore more videos of profound insights under the Career Conversations Navigating Success playlist. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support motivates me to create more videos. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching for the stars. Thank you.